Welcome back to the White Coat Classroom. In this module, we would be studying about the 12th thoracic vertebra. So without wasting time, let's get started. Over here, I have is 12th thoracic vertebra. This is typical thoracic vertebra and this is a lumbar vertebra. So let's compare this 12th thoracic vertebra with typical thoracic vertebra as well as with lumbar vertebra. So let's start with the body of vertebra. The body of typical thoracic vertebra is heart-shaped, while the body of 12th thoracic vertebra closely resembles the lumbar vertebra. After the body, let's appreciate the pedicle. The shape of pedicle of 12th thoracic vertebra closely resembles that of lumbar vertebra. So, there is a close resemblance between the pedicle of both 12th thoracic as well as the lumbar vertebra. Similarly, the shape of transverse process as well as that of spine is similar to that of lumbar vertebra. So we can clearly appreciate the shape of transverse process in these two as well as the shape of spine. Now, let's appreciate the articular facets. So talking about the superior articular facet, the shape of superior articular facet resembles that of thoracic vertebra. Typical thoracic vertebra has same shape. Comparing it with the lumbar vertebra has a different shape. We can appreciate this as a different shape. While the superior articular facet of 12th thoracic vertebra closely resembles the typical thoracic vertebra. Now, let's appreciate the inferior articular facet. So when we appreciate the inferior articular facet, what we can appreciate is these are directed downwards as well as they face laterally. So the inferior articular facet of the 12th thoracic vertebra faces downwards and laterally. Now let's compare it with typical thoracic vertebrae as well as with lumbar vertebrae. So here I have is a typical thoracic vertebra and its articular facet are directed downwards and these are somewhat medially. Comparing it with the 12th thoracic vertebra, comparing the inferior articular facet of typical thoracic vertebra as well as with 12th vertebra, these are everted and directed downwards and these are directed downwards and these are facing somewhat medially. Comparing the inferior articular process of 12th thoracic vertebra with the lumbar vertebra, what we can appreciate is in lumbar vertebrae also these are directed downwards as well as laterally. So the superior articular facet of 12th thoracic vertebra resembles the thoracic vertebra while the inferior articular facet resembles the lumbar vertebra. Now, let's appreciate the costal facet on body of 12th thoracic vertebra. So, on body of 12th thoracic vertebra, we have a single costal facet which is present on pedicle part. So, here we can appreciate this is the costal facet. Now, let's compare it with the typical thoracic vertebra. In typical thoracic vertebra, what we can appreciate is there are presence of two costal facets, the superior costal facet and the inferior costal facet. So by these points, we can identify the 12th thoracic vertebra. So quickly revising, the shape of body, the pedicle, the transverse process and the spine resembles that of lumbar vertebra. The superior articular facet resembles the thoracic vertebra. The inferior articular facet resembles the lumbar vertebra. And it has a single facet for clavicle on its lateral aspect of pedicle.